Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. So I always like to strike. I always like to start. So I mentioned on the last video and back on the 19th, I also posted on the private chat. I still have some of the writing. So we need to be very careful. Currently, Bitcoin was making lower lows, so there was a lot of options. I was looking at the options. That's what the heavyweights do. And there was a lot of options at around 30,000 or so. They're due on the 29th of the month. So I mentioned we're probably going to have a little bit of a pullback looking around 31,293. And how did I came up with that number? So I was using this fib extension from the low of about September 17 of 2017 to the high of about June 27, 2019 to the low March 13 of 2020. So this 261% retracement here. And then guess what happened a couple days ago? Bada bing, bada boom, boom. And yesterday we even got as low as around 28 or so. So everyone started panicking. I said, don't worry, we're still fine. There's still not signs of a massive drawback. Now let's look at the weekly chart. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. The two guys that helped me always said, make sure you help somebody. Here I am with the YouTube channel trying to help everyone how to make shackles in the crypto world. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, make sure you send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, let's just get back to it. So I don't think we're in quite a bear market yet. What made me laugh the last couple days, we had this crypto bulls, the crazy how they were saying we're gonna go 50,000. I think we will hit 50,000. Don't get me wrong, but and then all of a sudden, while we had that little bit of a pullback, they were all, "Hey, I'm shorting Bitcoin now," and I was thinking, "Wait, what? Thought you were super bull. Now you're shorting?" But who am I and who am I to criticize other people? But that being said, this is very bullish that we went all the way down and then pull right back up. So this is looking bullish. We need to wait to see how this weekly candle closes. Preferably if we close above 35, it'll be the higher we go, the bullish it'll get, basically. Now let's just then, objective 3, or from the original objective is 41, and then the next one will be this 46,000, and this $48,000 level, once we break the 41, that's where we're heading. However, Bitcoin likes to stretch, so we more likely hit 50 grand, and then I think after that we'll have a big pullback. Now that all depends of how we behave around 50 grand. If we at 50 grand start blasting higher and holding, especially in weekly charts, and then we're golden. The next target is 60, but we need to wait until before we get all excited, that we're going to 60 grand. We gotta wait and see what happens at 50, and we definitely gotta wait and see what happens at 41,000. So let's keep that in mind. By the way, guys, you guys requested it. We deliver. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. I'll put it down on the description below. If you need help aside from the channel, the YouTube channel, if you need me to hold your hand, that's where you need to be. We created a live version, which is just technical analysis. We created a pro version, which is not only the technical analysis, but I'm going to be holding your hand, and at the same time, I'm going to be posting my setups as they happen. So go and check out Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check out our Easy Crypto Pro Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro, and go and check out my personal Instagram and follow me, forexcapital.ca. So that being said, guys, on the daily chart right now, I mean, this, let's see, that kind of looks like, let's just move this fibs for just a second. So use that low, use the high. You know, okay, so this is the thing. Let's just move the fibs. So we're, technically speaking, this candle from yesterday on the daily chart closed above the 50% retracement. 50% retracement from this high to that low. So let me just take this fibs for just a second, guys. When we have that, I mean, it's close, but I think it counts. When we have a candle, we have a massive, kind of a downtrend, which that's what this is kind of looks like. And then we have a candle that does that. It's a piercing line. Guess what a piercing line is? Bullish. So I think this might be, the pullback. This is looking like also like a bullish flag too. Now this bullish flag is kind of weird, but let's just kind of plate it out. So kind of like that. I would say around there or so. Let's see, maybe like this. That looks a little bit better. And we're just gonna use, I'm not sure exactly if I have to use this low, this low, this low. So I'm just really using this low, which is kind of like the closest, where we had to like a little bit of a stop, and then we kept going. So if we just use that low, now don't hold me to it. Like I said, I'm not perfect. I think that's the low, but who knows? So if we just use that low, this puts us, this bullish flag currently forming, puts us at about 48,000. So what I've been saying all along, probably going to 48,000. More likely we're going to stretch to 50, and then we're going to have, a bigger pullback once we get to 50, and then all alts rally, and then I'm probably going to get out of my alt positions, see how the pullback turns out, and then go back in. So as it sits, this looks like we're going to 48,000 right now. So we just have to have to hang tight. And like I said, guys, if you guys need more help, go and check out Easy Crypto Pro. Like I said, I'll put it down in the description below. But as it sits, guys, this is looking good. Looking bullish, with the target currently at 48. Now, if for whatever reason, we might even see something like we hit 36, pull back, kind of stretch it again, double bottom, and boom, like a slingshot. We just need to wait and see, but as it sits, it's sitting pretty strong. I mean, once we break this 20-day moving average and then this trend line, I think we're good. Then our next target is 41 and then 48. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.